Hey there. So this should help explain any questions you have with the pitch project. I'm going to get to it through the gold weekly slides, but now if you're in the green cohort, you also have access to it. So if you go down to week 14, this is our current week, so go to week 14. Gold pitch project is linked under Thursday. Green cohort, yours would be linked under Monday on your schedule. So this is the document that you need, and there are directions on here. We're working on this skill right here, so it's really just, can you ask questions that are compelling or like important and relevant, and they're things that actually matter about your topic. So can you ask questions like that about yourself, your community, or the world? And so my ask of you in this project is to use the global goals that we've been spending time on to ask those questions. So the task is right here, and you're going to create a visual to show us why your goal is the most important and influential of the global goals. The idea is that whenever you see like a short video or a brochure or an infographic or something where someone's trying to get you a lot of information in a short amount of time, it's often not just like information. A question is posed or asked, and then the information is given through the answer to that question. So you're going to do that with your global goals. You're going to pick a global goal, it doesn't matter which one. And you're going to ask at least 3 questions about it. And then through asking those questions and providing the answers and providing the information about the global goal, that's your way of telling someone about the global goal or educating us about it. And the idea for this project, which has obviously shifted a little bit because of things we can't control, was we were going to put them all together, and then you were going to have to like sell us your goal like through these questions. So just give us 3 highlights about your goal and tell us why yours is the most important one that we should know about and that everybody should be on board with no matter what. So that goes over the idea. This section has must-haves and then nice-to-haves, and then there's a section that has templates for your visual. So you will need to link this document into your slide in your portfolio, but you'll also need to link your visual. So you can use one of these. The ones that have had the most ease of use with your classmates have been either one of these Google Slides templates. But back up to your must-haves. You must have the name of your global goal, a description of the global goal, and then 3 questions with answers. If you have 3 questions that you can come up with right off the bat, cool. Remember, we're trying to get at an individual level, a community level, and then whole world. But if you're stuck, here are some prompts or some guides right here. Come up with 1 question related to the global goals that's important to your personal life or someone's personal life, the community, and then the world. You need to have well thought out and based on the global goals information answers to your questions. And then you need to have your visual linked and entered into your portfolio along with this. So that should cover it. You have a link to the website right here. You have a slideshow that has some of the goals that have a bit more research done from your classmates right there. Let me know whatever other questions you have about this project.